running car if you would have just did a regular auto swap.
Bro, chill.
Mind you, I don't even know how to drive a manual.
Bro, I do not. Stop playing with me, bro.
This do a manual swap,
bro.
Fry the clutch, and I hope you're recording.
I am recording. We'll see. I'm telling you, I know how to drive manual, bro.
Nigga,
Yeah,
you gonna fry.
I'm not gonna fry it, bro.
Alright.
Either way, it don't matter even if I do. It's a learning experience. You know what I mean? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like,
yo, you know what that sound like?
Money. He got money.
Yeah, that man said,
nah.
listen, even if you just buy another one, bro. It's
nah,
not that deep.
I mean, I'm gonna have to.
It's gonna cost like 600,000.
Nigga said I got money.
Yeah.
I got broke.
Bro, I'm telling you, I'm not gonna burn it out. I know
Hey
I'm
man, if I'm broke, just say that.
It's really funny to see because it's like he has 2 cars, but then one has a mirror hanging on for his dear life, bro.
Yo, chill, don't watch that, bro. What's up with you, bro? Yo, you know what I'm saying? It's weight reduction. That's what it is.
Oh, I thought that was you kicking me out the car.
Kicking out the car. That's crazy. But nah, bro, this is dope funny. So you got both the cars out right now. You got Kev outside tonight. We gonna go against Baby Yoda with it.
You don't want these problems. You don't want these problems.
All right, we'll see for sure. But nah.
I'm slow. That's all. I can't even.
Yeah, bro.
Don't expect me to talk. I'm back there.
And I mean, it's my car, so it's like, you know what? At the end of the day, whatever. But, oh, bro, y'all didn't see that? You saw that?
No, I was looking down.
It was a Lambo.
Oh, it sounded like it.
Yeah, bro, that sounded nice.
He ain't gonna catch it, bro.
So much pain.
Definitely outside today. Got the e46 out here. And then we got the Civic over here.
But the Civic do not sound like that.
Not at all.
The little engine not good.
Right? But yeah, now we outside today driving around though. Yeah, ready?
Hell yeah.
Alright, let's get it. Hey, are you good, bro?
That Civic needs some oil.
Chill.
Definitely does.
Chill, it's a little leak. Don't watch that, don't watch that. Got Kev out. Yo, what's up? Why are you looking at me like that?
You trying to play Yoda earlier?
I will cook Yoda straight up, bro. I was trying to record. I can't do both. It's so hard to fucking record and drive, bro.
Bro, I can only imagine.
I wasn't even doing it because I was like, nah, this is hard, bro.
Hey, just splice a couple clips together and, you know?
Yeah. What you talking about? What's healthy? Right? Yo, I'm telling you, bro, this is so nice. Do you be driving it at all?
What?
The car, the Beamer.
I don't touch that, bro.
Bro.
He's kind of like, yo, you should.
Yeah,
Nah.
honestly, bro.
I kid you not. I've driven that car to put air in it. I've driven twice just because it was sitting for too long. 2 laps around the block. That was it. One, there's no plates. There's no insurance.
License and registration, please.
Okay,
That's why I was like, I would just stay behind you because he has the front plate. I got the back on.
Yeah. Yeah, word.
And I'm not gonna lie to you, I wasn't gonna drive my car. Nah, cause I know you probably want somebody to record. Then I thought about it, I'm like,
It would be
Him
fun.
wanted to have fun.
two
Yeah.
cars? Just 2 cars?
He said make it 3.
Well, technically, 1.5.
Yeah. It was a good call.
Nah, for real.
Yeah. But Baby Yoda was out here.
Whipping this.
Bro, it was crazy. I'm like, nah.
Kevin's
bro.
like, I'm bored. Later.
Yo, for real.
Not even. Yo, I have a heavy foot, so I don't even be trying to speed. I just really have a heavy foot,
I
bro.
can't fool this.
Yeah, you can't.
Even
Yeah.
for us to come
Speaking
up.
of which, let me see.
Yeah, you wanna check it again?
Yeah.
There's no. I made sure not to get it.
Yeah, no, you're good. The thing about this, what I'm gonna say, is that like, as long as you don't floor it like you're trying to race, it's gonna be good. I love your mind. Yeah, so this is the ground I was talking about right here. That came out.
Okay.
That's the ground for the AC.
Oh.
I just left it because I was like, you know what, just keep it off and I'll be fine. But I know for sure, I actually do need to add some glue here. So I was looking at this. This is one spot that does keep on, no, not there. But this is
Oh,
the
yeah,
valve
yeah,
cover. So that's one spot that keeps on coming out. And as I'm looking at it,
It still sounds like nah, bro.
but it's not, bro.
I know,
That's the
I
crazy
believe
part.
you, but
Yeah.
it's just like, in my heart, I'm like,
Yeah, it gets you a little scared. It's like, wait, what's going on here?
That's an intake?
Yeah, right? It's disgusting, right? Cuss face. That's intake? Yeah. That shit is weird.
well,
Really
anybody
bad.
at home would think that's my fault.
Oh, this? Bro.
I got 2 DMs about it now, and I'm like,
Yeah. So you're chill, like, you know? But,
I can't say yes, but I want to.
yeah.
You know, like, just leave you right
No
there.
more questions, you know what I mean? Don't ask me about it again now.
Like now, I'll be like, yo, nah, I blew a motor tonight. That's it. I sold it to my friend. I blew it and sold it.
Yeah.
I wanted to drive the Accord, but we would've got pulled over. So I
think?
drove the Accord.
Yeah.
Why?
Wow, okay, so you would've been wildin'?
Nigga, this is catless.
Oh, yeah, it's loud as yeah.
Loud as
Yeah.
bro. A simple little
Yeah.
You thought that was loud?
Nah.
I pulled out a 7-Eleven. I'm like, oh, it's got the cops over there, the lights on. I'm like, oh, good thing nobody has a loud ass car.
Yeah, I was fake scared about that because I don't know if y'all peeped. He actually creeped out a little bit. There was one that peeped out. Yeah. But I was scared. I was like, nah, please don't, please don't. Honestly, I was gonna take off,
in
bro.
my head, I'm like, I can't even run. Like,
Yeah. Bro, honestly, bro, both cars being out, all of these cars right now being out, just feels so lit.
I feel empty because none of them are mine.
Only sad part's like, damn, I can't go home with this one.
Nope.
Bro, it's yours for the night.
Yeah,
Yeah.
honestly, bro.
Like, there's no point. I was gonna see if I could get a good shot, but I just not enough light.
Yeah, that's why I was just like, it's fun though. This is still fun though, getting over here. What's up with you, bro?
No, what happened?
That was not my intention. I just opened the door because I was about to rev it, but
And then he was like,
Oh yeah, nah, where we are now.
There, dick rider.
Yeah, nah, hell, I'm good off that.